Hi everybody. This is my video showing you how to make a copy of your story to share into our critique groups in Google Drive. Okay, so first of all, you open the story that you want to share for critique. Make a copy of it and call it something like uh, your name, just going to say Davis, critique, maybe put your group number, group 4, something like that. Okay, now here I can choose where to save it here. I can go to folder and I can go to shared drive, creative writing shared drive, group 4. I can do it all there. Okay, I already put it in there once, but it's okay. All right, now there's a few things I forgot to do with this. You can also save it in there using this little thing. You go to the move button here, like if you already made your copy and you just want to move it. You have to hit this little back arrow until you get to shared drive and creative writing shared drive. Make sure you're logged in to your school account to do this, or else it probably won't work right. Okay. Then group 4, or whichever group you're in. Obviously, I have to go fix this because I put mine in twice. So you can move it that way too, with this little move button up here. And then going back to the shared Google Drive. Don't forget to add a header. So that's under Insert, Headers and Footers, Header. Probably, I like it aligned right. I'm just going to say. So I'm going to put my name and the title of my story. I think it's Stick With You. And then you can insert your page number. You go to Insert. Dang it, it's under Format. Okay, then under Format, you go to Page Numbers. Or, let's see. I think you can do it under here too. All right, whatever. Let's see, page numbers, apply. Yay. Okay, that's the auto page number. So then every page will have a page number. All right. And you'll double space yours. Mine are, I already did weird spacing and I'm not going to fix it right now, but I would say double space yours to make it easier to read. Unless you did kind of weird spacing like I did, then you can leave it like that probably, just to make it easy to read. Okay. And then it should be there. Like when your group members go in, they should be able to go to your group and see it there. Woohoo! Obviously, I put mine in twice on accident, so I'm going to take one of them out. But my group members did it right. So then you'll be able to see everyone in your group. And good job, Kanani. Looks like you did it right. Okay, and then you'll just go in and you'll open the stories tomorrow, Tuesday, the 23rd of March. You'll go in. Hopefully all your group members will have put stories in there and you'll give them some feedback. If you need the instructions on how to do that feedback, you can go into Google Classroom or Creative Writing, go to Critique Groups. The guidelines one is the one that's like helpful. It gives you ideas on how to critique. We talked about it today in class. So, but try for at least 5 for each person. Mostly good stuff. Remember to, if you do a negative critique, like something that you would change, that's helpful too. Just remember to give them maybe a suggestion with it of what to change. And you can do that with comments or you can go into suggestion mode in your document too. You can go into, uh, darn, here it is. Right now I'm in editing mode, but you can also switch to suggestion mode if you see little things you think might be better. And then they can, like here, I can say nothing much. And my suggestion is to take out happens and put in a different word, like nothing much transpires. That would be my suggestion. Right now it's just a sample, so it's to myself. There we go. I was zoomed in too close. And I can read, when people give you those comments, you can go in and read it and be like, ooh, I like that. Nothing much transpires. Or if I want to keep it simple and I don't like that suggestion, I can reject it and keep my own words. So that's your choice as a writer when people give you suggestions. If they do it in suggestion mode, you can accept or reject. If you want to do a general comment overall about something, you can click and add a comment bubble and say, I love this intro. It has a Twin Peaks vibe. Something like that. And then when they read it, they can be like, oh, cool. And when you read the comments as an author, you can be like, oh, cool, okay. Um, you can leave them if you want. You can resolve them if you want. I think I'll be able to see them either way when I look through in your histories on those. Okay, so that's how to do that assignment.